Here she is, the Liberty Bell. We are in Philadelphia, and there's the crack, the famous crack. The other side of the Liberty Bell, which probably doesn't get very many pictures. And originally, the Liberty Bell was housed right over here at Independence Hall.
It's getting late in the day, and this is the last item that we are going to visit in historic Philadelphia. If you had the time, you could probably spend at least 3 days in Philadelphia and still not see all the attractions, historic sites, and anything else that you wanted to see. Most of it we have seen from previous trips, and some of it we have revisited, this being one of them. This is Gloria Dei, or Old Swedes Church. It's in the south part of Philadelphia. And you can see we have a cemetery here. Very, very old. Some of the stones are so old, as you can see, you can barely read what's on it. I can see that this person was born in 1843, and I can't make it out, but it looks like 18 something they died. And I can read that there's two here that died in 1854 and 1875. So this whole cemetery, like I said, is extremely old. Old Swedes Church is a National Historical Site. Sometimes open, sometimes not. And I guess we're going to find out right now if it's open. Here's a gravestone. The man, William Williamson, died December 23, 1721, at the age of 42. I would imagine that this is a baby's grave. as small as it is. And there's no date on it, no writing. So I have no idea. And unfortunately, in what is supposed to be a quiet grave, you've got music blaring behind me. Now, this is a baby's grave. Actually, there were two people in here. One was born in 1874, died 1874. And the other one was born March 4, 1876, and died May 4, 1878.